Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Apple ID in iTunes Store on iOS 15. So let's get started. So guys, first open the App Store. On the App Store, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Here, click on Apple ID and give your Apple ID here. After that, give your password here. Now click on sign in button. So friends, after signing in the Apple ID, you can update and download your apps in the App Store. You can see the YouTube app is updating now. So friends, you can also sign in to your Apple ID from your iCloud account by going to settings menu. So go to settings menu on your iPhone. Then click on your iCloud account at the top of the page. On the iCloud menu, scroll down and tap on media and purchases. Here, click on continue to sign in. Now go to a App Store and check if your Apple ID is signed in. So friends, you can see that Apple ID has been signed in.